Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum and hello to the whole world. This is my first video on my YouTube channel to talk to the whole world about our usage of water nowadays. Everyone knows that we are using plenty of water because of coronavirus, and to save us from this virus, it's very important to use water to wash our hands. But it's very important to save our water at the same time for the generation next, because when we are using to wash our hands, if we open our water taps while we are rubbing like this soap on our hands, and we keep the water tap on, that means we are not using water, we are wasting at that time. So that's why I'm making this video and asking you to please think about that. We have to use the water, but we don't have to waste the water. At the moment it's very important, because everyone, once he use this water to wash his hands, he is normally, if he don't save water at that time, while rubbing hands, he is not turning water tap off, that means he is wasting double water at that moment. So just to see how much water we are using at one time when we washing our hands, at that time we normally use 500 to 600 ml at one time. And if everyone is washing his hands 4 to 5 times a day, that means he's using if one time 600 ml, so 2 times, that means nearly 12, more than 1 liter. So if he is doing that 4 times a day, one person 4 times a day, he is using nearly 2 liter waters in one day. So everyone in whole world, everyone is doing this. If one family of 4 person, he is using more than 4 liter to 5 liter per day. That means we are using a plenty of water at the moment. So we have to see that, so we can save. At this time we need that to wash our hands, to save ourselves, to save our lives, to save others. But at this time we have to think about that, how we can save the water, so the water don't be wasted. So that's why I'm talking to you today for the first time on my YouTube channel, because it's very important for the next some months. Because if we doing like this every day, so that means we are wasting a lot of water, and maybe we save our lives from coronavirus, but after that we can't save our lives, because there's no life without water. So it's very important at the moment. That's why please convey my message to your family, your friends, to the whole world. Please save water at the moment, and think about that while we are using water. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Maybe the next time with a new topic, I'll talk to you sometimes from my channel MyTv. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.